Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to turn off comments on YouTube. By turning off YouTube comments, every user can view your video, like, share, or dislike it, but they won't be able to drop a comment on your video. YouTube has implemented this system in compliance with the Children's Online Privacy Protection Act. Every YouTube creator, regardless of their location, is legally required to comply with them. YouTube comments are automatically made unable when a video is private or the channel or video's audience has been made for kids. YouTube already has some automatic spam moderation features, but they aren't entirely reliable. Some users and their spam YouTube comments on your YouTube can still slip through. In such scenarios, to turn off comments on YouTube is a favorable option. This will eventually minimize the damage such unfavorable and opposing people can do to you and your YouTube community. To turn off comments on YouTube, go to YouTube Creator Studio. From the left side of the dashboard panel, select the content option. All the videos that you have uploaded on your YouTube channel will appear on your screen. Move to the video whose comments you wish to turn off. Click on the pencil shape icon located next to the video thumbnail. Under the audience section, select "No, it's not made for kids." And then scroll down until you see Show More and click on it. Navigate to the Comments and Ratings section. Click the drop-down icon next to the Comment Visibility section and select the Disable Comments option to turn off comments on YouTube. After you have made all required changes, choose Save from the top right of the dashboard panel to save the changes. And note, if you select Yes, it's made for kids, the comment visibility will automatically be set to disable comments, and you won't be able to change it either. If you are confident enough that some of the YouTube comments on your video are against the guidelines, YouTube gives you the right to delete them on your own. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next video.